Not all paints are formulated to be two components or to include solvents in their composition. It is forecast that ultraviolet light curing coatings will reach a market capitalization of $11.4 billion by 2025. These are single component paints that cure under ultraviolet light. They essentially consist of a resin molecule and a photoinitiator. When the mixture is exposed to light, the photoinitiator photodegrades and becomes a free radical. This radical is highly reactive and ultimately reacts with the resin, cross-linking or curing it. The paint film of these coatings usually has excellent gloss and high abrasion resistance. These coatings can be used across many industries, but are primarily used on wood surfaces due to their high quality finish. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cosmos Coatings. See you in the next video.